My name is MJ, and I am the Area Director of Entertainment and Nightlife for Virgin Hotels Nashville, Chicago, and Dallas. So we're on Music Row, which is where all of your publishing houses are, and originally where all the studios were. But, very rooted on that. It's called Music Row. We have the dopest address in the company. It's 1 Music Square West, so everything kind of happens on this street. Every aspect of music can take place on this street. What we have here at Virgin, which gives us a competitive edge and UVP, is that we take the time to really build out our sound systems to people with trained ears, and it's the difference in getting an album release party. 9 times out of 10, they'll go with us when they see what speakers we have, and they see all the attention to detail that went into it, because there's more trust built there, and they know that they're not going to have to bring in additional supplemental sound, and that what they're wanting to feature is going to sound good. I think they're the top in the market. The clarity is, I will walk out of places and leave if it doesn't sound right. It's like it almost throws off your equilibrium, especially when you're used to good acoustics. And there's a lot of studies now in science behind how much your acoustic build-out can actually affect your revenue. And a huge reason why we are so successful is because our speaker system and the way that we designed everything ensures a comfortable environment for people based on what we're curating for them. So these ones are black, and in Chicago, our Void speakers are red, and they based it off of the architecture. So with our brick being black, it's supposed to kind of look seamless. We also have other secret speakers that are hidden in planters that are really cool, that kind of help that aesthetic build out and make things a little bit less clunky, which I like.